How a garment's technical eye can achieve international standard performance. To perform at an international standard as a garment's technical eye, industrial engineer, it is not enough to know only SMV or efficiency. A professional technical eye must effectively manage data, time study, method improvement, line balancing, productivity, quality, and cost control together. 1. Understand garment construction thoroughly. First, you must understand the complete construction of the garment. You should know which operation comes first and which comes next. Which machine is required for each operation. Which seam and stitch type is required. The difficulty level of each operation. Where the critical operations are. Which operations have a higher risk of quality problems. A strong understanding of pattern making, sewing, and finishing will significantly improve your performance as a technical eye. 2. Conduct accurate time study. One of the most important skills of an international standard eye is accurate time study. For every operation, follow. Observe, record, analyze, standardize. During time study, carefully observe. Operator working speed. Machine condition. Handling method. Bundle movement. Working method. Operator skill level. Do not create SMV based on only one cycle. Observe sufficient cycles and determine a representative time under realistic production conditions. 3. Determine SMV accurately. If SMV is incorrect, many subsequent calculations and production targets will also become inaccurate. When determining SMV, consider basic operation time, machine type, handling time, allowance, operator skill, working method, garment construction. The SMV should be realistic and aligned with actual production conditions. 4. Become highly skilled in line balancing. One of the key responsibilities of a good technical eye is line balancing. For example, Operation SMV priority. Operation A 0.50 high. Operation B 1.20 medium. Operation C 0.70 high. Operation D 1.50 low. The objective is not simply to increase the number of operators. You must identify where the bottleneck is occurring and determine the best solution. Follow this approach. Bottleneck root cause improvement rebalance. 5. Identify bottlenecks quickly. During production, monitor the following continuously. Where is WIP accumulating? Which operator has excessive bundles waiting? Which operation is causing the next operation to remain idle? Which machine has insufficient capacity? Where is unnecessary movement taking place? Once a bottleneck is identified, develop and implement a practical solution quickly. 6. Focus on method improvement. An international standard eye does not only measure production, they improve the production method. For example, if an operator changes the fabric position 3 times for every piece, analyze whether the method can be improved so that the same operation requires only 1 or 2 handling movements. The objective is reduce motion, reduce handling, reduce cycle time, increase productivity. 7. Assign operations according to operator skill. Not all operators have the same skill level. Therefore, develop and maintain a skill matrix. Operator operation skill level. A collar expert. B sleeve intermediate. C hemming expert. D side seam beginner. This helps ensure that the right operator is assigned to the right operation. 8. Manage quality and productivity together. Increasing efficiency alone does not represent international standard eye performance. If the line achieves 80% efficiency but generates excessive defects, it cannot be considered a successful result. The I objective should be high productivity plus good quality plus low cost plus stable production. 9. Analyze daily production data. Monitor the following data every day. Production plan. Actual production. SMV. Manpower. Working hours. Efficiency. DHU defect rate. WIP. Bottlenecks. Machine utilization. Rework. Downtime. Do not simply prepare reports. Analyze the data and identify the reasons behind the results. 10. Develop strong root cause analysis skills. 10. Develop strong root cause analysis skills. When production is low, simply saying the operator is slow is not enough for a professional technical eye. Use 5 why analysis. Problem: production is low. Why? There is a bottleneck at one operation. Why? The cycle time is too high. Why? The handling method is inefficient. Why? The operator's working method is not standardized. Solution: improve the working method and provide operator training. This is the type of problem-solving mindset expected from an international standard eye. Bar chart 11. Manage efficiency professionally. Efficiency is not just a percentage. You must understand the reasons behind the result. If efficiency decreases, investigate. Manpower shortage. Absenteeism. Machine breakdown. Material shortage. Quality problems. Operator skill level. Line imbalance. Incorrect or unrealistic SMV. Poor working method. Excessive downtime. Analyze each cause separately and take corrective action. Money bag 12. Focus on cost reduction. The performance of a technical eye is directly connected to manufacturing cost. Identify opportunities such as excess manpower, excessive motion, unnecessary machines, unnecessary handling, rework, idle time, inefficient layout. Always try to create measurable cost-saving results. 13. Strengthen Excel and data analysis skills. To work at an international level, strong Excel and data analysis skills are essential. You should be proficient in pivot tables, lookup XLOOK, SUMIFs, COUNTIFs, if functions, conditional formatting, charts, dashboards, production analysis. If possible, also learn Power BI for advanced data visualization and reporting. Factory 14. Develop standard work. For important operations, establish standard method plus standard time plus standard output. This helps maintain a consistent production method even when new operators join the line. Chart with upward trend 15. Maintain before and after improvement data. Whenever you implement an improvement, always record before versus after data. Before improvement. Cycle time 45 seconds. Output 700 PCs day. After improvement. Cycle time 38 seconds. Output 820 PCs day. This makes your eye contribution measurable and clearly demonstrates the value of your improvement to management. Key KPIs of an international standard technical eye. You can evaluate your own performance using the following KPIs. SMV accuracy, time study accuracy, line balancing accuracy, efficiency improvement, productivity improvement, bottleneck reduction. manpower optimization, method improvement, cost saving, quality improvement, WIP reduction, machine utilization, data accuracy, reporting and analysis, continuous improvement. Trophy develop the right I mindset. A basic I may think, how much production did we achieve today? A good I may think, why did we achieve this level of production? But an international standard I should think, how can we achieve higher productivity and lower cost with the same manpower, the same working hours, and the same quality standard? Remember this professional I formula. Measure, analyze, identify the problem, find the root cause, improve the method, implement, monitor, standardize. If you consistently follow this approach, your technical I performance will go beyond basic production monitoring. You will develop yourself as a professional I who can contribute directly to productivity improvement plus cost reduction plus quality improvement plus continuous improvement. That is the mindset and working approach of an international standard garments technical I professional.
আজ এই পর্যন্তই। আবার দেখা হবে নতুন একটি ভিডিও নিয়ে। সাথে থাকুন। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। ইউটিউব ভিডিও এন্ডিং সাজেশন। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং শেয়ার করবেন। আর লেকট্রা মোদারিসের আরও অ্যাডভান্স টিউটোরিয়াল পেতে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি অন করে রাখুন।